How would you like to make money doing the things you love to do? Have you figured out what you're passionate about? Do you think you can make money doing the things that you're passionate about? You think you can make money doing that? Well, in these next few videos, I will be talking about a simple system that can identify your passion and make money while doing it. So stay tuned. But there's some key instructions I need to tell you about first. So make sure you follow them. Number 1, close out of all other programs and turn off all distractions. And focus. Yes, focus. Number 2, do not skip ahead in this video, otherwise you may miss a crucial step. I will take you step by step through this process. And it's not that hard. Number 3, if you need to pause this video at any time to take notes, please feel free to do so. Number 4, please like this video by giving it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Support this channel. And number 5, share this video on social media and with everyone you know. I'd appreciate it. And also, number 6, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so you can get notified when I upload a new video. Number 7, lastly, please leave a comment and tell me where you're from. I might have some opportunities in your country. Okay, so let's get on to the video tutorial. So in this video, we will discuss how to scale up your business that you have a passion in. After we identify and educate your audience on what your passions are, manufacturing of the products, and sold the products, it's time to grow the business. The first thing you need to do, and perhaps you've done this before, but you need a business and sales plan. The plan should include the products and who are they to be
Travel and entertainment.
The
Profit
geographic
margins.
location,
Budget.
how much
Sale.
it costs to
Budgets.
manufacture.
Cost to sell.
I know. It's a lot to take in, and perhaps you need to interface with a sales professional and maybe even a certified public accountant. But I do feel it is necessary to inject this bit of information just to make sure your passions don't turn into horrors.
Video number 5, How to Scale Your Passion. In the entrepreneur community, the word scale is very popular. It can mean several different things. But in this case, it means growth. Look here. If you want to stay small, that's your right to do so. However, most people want to grow their business. So that is what we will discuss. If you are able to take your passion and turn it into a business, that is a wonderful thing. That should be applauded. If you can take that same business and successfully scale it, that should be commended. While it may seem like an unnecessary factor to consider, there are many businesses that make income but can't handle explosive or consistent growth. Some businesses are created to be and remain small. There's absolutely nothing wrong with keeping your workload small and easy to manage, but if you want to turn your passion into a viable business that supports and sustains you, it has to be created to grow. For example, if your passion is writing short stories, you can make money by writing short stories for other people. If it takes you 3 days to write and edit a complete story and you work on your stories Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., you would only be able to churn out about 1.5 stories a week. If somehow the word got out and 5 people asked you to write a story apiece and they were all due in 1 week, you'd end up working a lot of overtime. Or, even worse, have to turn away potential customers. This business model is not built to scale. You are limited to the number of stories you can produce, and if you want to get more clients, you'd have to adjust your hours, write stories faster or hire other writers. It can be hard to make those kinds of changes once you've started working. But if you go into it knowing that those things will have to happen, you are more apt to be prepared when the time comes. One reason why many new businesses fail in the first 3 years of existence is that they're not built to properly handle growth. Yes, a lot of customers is a good problem to have, but only if you can take advantage of the opportunity. There are definitely some other processes that can be put in place to help with scalability. You can use automation or even outsource some of your business tasks to make it easier for you. But with any process, it takes time and preparation to really benefit from them. When you are creating a business, it's ultimately up to you as the owner to consider your long-term goals and what needs to happen to successfully grow your business. This is best done early on. That is it for today's video tutorial. Tomorrow we will discuss how to live your passion with intention. So be sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon.
Well, that's it for today's video, and hope you got some valuable information. Please click on the like button to jog that YouTube machine. Please also subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so you can get notified when I upload a new video. Please also leave a comment down below and share this with everyone you know. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and go make money now. See you in the next video. Take care.